beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jada and welcome. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the new L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow Long Wear Brow Gel. I did pick up the shade Brunette and Dark Brunette at my local Walmart for $13.97. I've been waiting for these to come out. I kept seeing the display where it says coming soon, and I was like, oh my god. So it's finally here, so we get to do a review. The reason why I was even more excited about this is because these remind me of the Wonder Brow. So I was like, you know what? These go for $22 and this is $13.97. So I was like, we should do a comparison. I was thinking we could do a comparison. I think that would be awesome. So with this L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow, this is supposed to be waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, and sweat resistant. Okay, and that's exactly what the Wonder Brow is as well. So these ones are the L'Oreal, see these ones, and then here is the Wonder Brow. Now the darkest shade that they had in the L'Oreal was Dark Brunette at my Walmart, so yeah, and the darkest one I have in the Wonder Brow is Jet Black. Let me check L'Oreal's website to see if they have a Jet Black too. So online it's $16.99 for the L'Oreal Brow. They do. They have black, dark brunette, brunette, light brunette, and blonde. So the darkest shade that I had at my local Walmart was dark brunette. They didn't have black. If they would have had black, that would have been perfect, so I could have done a boom boom boom, but unfortunately, yeah. So I'm going to zoom in and we will be applying dark brunette on this side. And it also comes with a brush, which is awesome. Which comes with a brush and a spoolie. See, double-ended. So let's zoom in. Okay, so I'm just going to open the product. And it comes like this and it has a doe foot applicator. Apply some to the back of my hand. And if you guys are curious to see how the Wonder Brow is like this, kind of like a gloss sort of wand. So even though my eyebrows have been growing in pretty good, I do like to still use eyebrow products because I do have spots missing. Coat the brush and then apply. It's unbelievable. Going to spoolie this in, and it's sort of drying down already. It's drying down, but not really fast. It's giving me enough time to play around with the product and work it in. So now we're going to lightly fill this section of my brow. Ooh, just do a light. Ooh, that looks nice. See, just very light. Boom. Okay, so now it's starting to get a little bit harder as it dries down. So I'm just gonna leave that brow alone. Okay, I'm not mad at it. It looks pretty good. I am not mad at it. Hello, eyebrow. Hi. So I'm just going to remove what I have in the back of my hand and we're going to go in with this brow. Hey. That's like, we're really having to rub there. I'm using the Bioderma makeup removing solution. Huh, okay. It's taking a minute to remove it. Okay, so for this eyebrow, should I use the light one? Yeah, it was pretty dark, like the dark brunette. Okay. Let's use that one. And I'm not going to clean them up with any concealer or anything because in the past I have cleaned it up with concealer and it kind of smudges into the product. And then people think like, oh, you see it did smudge. And in reality, it's just the concealer. So going in with this eyebrow, this is someone that always want to be acting up, acting like she don't got a curfew and stuff, testing the waters. This one's like, okay, you know, doing it low key. So let's go in with the Wonder Brow. I did mix in a little bit of the black Wonder Brow on this eyebrow just because it was a little bit too light. Yeah, you see where this one, I need to clean it up. It looks funny. Okay, so we have both eyebrow products in. Don't judge me too harshly. Let them just dry down a little bit, and then we will, see, this one is hard to remove too. So that's pretty cool that they both had a hard time removing. So I think they have been chilling for a minute. So I have some water. Here's the eyebrow. And let's go in. And you guys see me going in there. You guys can see the brow moving. Mira. Ooh! That looks good. Okay. Okay, L'Oreal. Look at that. Oh. $13.97. Okay. Let your babe take you swimming on the first date. Or you know how they're always like, you better stop, we're gonna wipe your eyebrows off. And it's like, do it. Bet. Like, do it. Oh. Okay, here's a Wonder Brow. Yeah, tú sabes, this does not come off. So, Wonder Brow, yeah. My eyebrow looks like a Drake eyebrow right now. Okay, same thing, look. It does not move, you know. See? Nothing. Ooh. Let's do it again, L'Oreal. Let's go through it. I can still feel the product on my eyebrow. Like, I feel it. Like, it's secured. You could feel it. You could feel the product. And it's like, it's not going anywhere. Mira. You guys see it? It's lightening up right here because I think I'm separating my hairs. But the product itself, if anything, I'm taking off my eyebrows. I'm rubbing them too hard. The product's not coming out, or like you don't see it running or anything, which is pretty good. Ooh. Ooh. Rub my eyebrows off, babe. Take me swimming on the first date, babe. I'm gonna go run on the treadmill and wipe my face, babe. Like, oh. They ain't going nowhere. If anything, it was separating. It is separating right there because how I'm moving my brows around. But the product is still on my eyebrows. Like, it still looks good. Now, I mean, if you go in there with oil, I'm pretty sure it's going to be like, it's done. But if you're just sweating, I think you're good. I think you're good. So, L'Oreal, stepping it up once again. Hell yeah. I'm really happy. For $13.97, that's a bargain, and you get a lot of product. Let's see how easy it is removing it with my Bioderma, because the back of my hand, that was pretty hard to remove. So let's go in and apply this on our eyebrows. I'm gonna go really soft because I was kind of roughing them up a minute ago. You can slowly see the product come off, but it's not as harsh. So the way I found it easiest to remove the eyebrow product is using the makeup removing solution and then going in with the spoolie and combing through my eyebrow hairs, and boom, done. So I will be reapplying my eyebrows and continuing my day. So yeah, you guys see a little speed up right here. The brows are done, so I'm gonna go do a foundation, first impressions, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. So eyebrows are still on. Ooh, I really am like, damn, everyone needs to get on this. Again, it's the L'Oreal Unbelieva brow, and it's a long wear brow. It is waterproof, it is smudge proof, it is sweat resistant, and no transfer. So it's been a long day, and they are still whoosh, on. I'm about to attempt to do the baby mama dance, and I know these are going to be good to go. Make sure to check it out, you guys. I give this product a big thumbs up. Do I think it's comparable to the Wonder Brow formula? Yes. Heck yes. Check it out. You guys won't be disappointed. Look at them. Like, they just look so good. I'm just like, hi, hello, hi. Like, they look really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho. Bye.